All right, so today we are going to be going over Pascal's triangle. So this is Pascal's triangle. The way it works is that it starts with a 1 in the first row, 2 1s in the second row, and the way we get all the numbers after that is by adding the numbers that are directly above them in the triangle. This is what I mean. So right here I've added 1 together and 1 to get 2. Here I've added 1 and 2 to get 3. Same for that 3. The other thing we need to know is that there are always going to be 1s on the end. So we're going to start with a 1 and end with a 1. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the next row of Pascal's triangle here. So I'm going to start with a 1, then I'm going to 1 plus 3 gives me 4, 3 plus 3 gives me 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, and then a 1 on the end. And we see how it's forming this triangle shape. Alright, next. Now that we know this, we can use Pascal's triangle to expand a binomial. So by a binomial, of course, I mean something with x plus y raised to some power. Right? So, for instance, if I wanted to expand x plus y to the fourth, I can see right here what it's going to be from Pascal's triangle. These coefficients, or the numbers, come directly from the triangle, right? So, for instance, to get this 4, I've added together 1 plus 3 to get 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, etc. The other thing to keep in track of is that the exponent here is x plus y to the fourth. So x starts to the fourth power, then it goes down. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, disappears. Y, on the other hand, goes in the other direction. So y here is 0. Then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So as x decreases, y increases. So we can use Pascal's triangle to expand a binomial, like this one right up here, x plus 2 to the third power. So the first thing we want to do is go to the correct row of Pascal's triangle, because to the third power, we're going to go to this row here. You can tell it's the right row because there's a 3 in the second space over. All right, so the first thing is it's going to be 1x to the third. So in this case, x is still x, but y is going to be 2. Right? So 1x to the third plus, now it's going to be 3x squared y, but instead of y, I'm going to be plugging in 2. All right? Plus 3x y squared, but again, instead of y, I'm plugging in 2 squared, plus 1y cubed, and y, of course, is 2 cubed. Alright, so now all we have to do from here is simplify. Really simple. So 1x cubed, I'm just going to write that as x cubed, plus 3 times 2 is going to give me 6x squared, plus 3, well, first of all, exponents first, right? So 2 squared gives me 4, times 3 is 12. X, alright, plus 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So just like that, I've used Pascal's triangle to expand this binomial x plus 2 to the third power.